Welcome back to Ready Controls. As part of our Logix Designer playlist, today we're going to learn about toolbars available in Logix Designer. As you can see, there are several toolbars available for us. This toolbar on the top is called the standard toolbar. Standard toolbar provides us many standard functions that we will frequently use. These are uh, new project. You could open a new project. You could create a new project, open an existing project. For example, that's a new project. And then you could open existing project files. You could save the project. You could print the project. Once you have selected, say if you select this logic and you want to print it, you could actually print the logic. And then as usual, we have the cut, copy and paste. You could select the rung, you could cut it, and then you could paste it, and you could assemble all of them. So that's your cut, copy and paste. And you could undo your previous changes, or you could redo. And your search bar, you could search the tags, and that will find you where the tag is in the program. And then you could hit find next, or you could do find all. And then you have the toggle between controller organizer, that will toggle between the logical organizer and controller organizer. And you have verify routine and verify controller. So if you verify routine, it will go ahead and verify the routines and indicate if there are any errors. It will indicate down them in this area. Okay, that's all about the standard toolbar. And the next toolbar we're going to talk about is about the online toolbar. This portion here is called as online toolbar. The online toolbar gives information about the controller status. If your controller is in run mode, is the controller okay, storage is okay, and IO is okay. And it also talks about if there are any forces away in the PLC, and also shows if there are any edits in the PLC. For example, if I click it, that's an edit. If you want to find the edit, you could accept them, and it will show you that there are edits present. Okay, I'll just cancel all the edits. That's about the online toolbar. The next toolbar is the path bar. This portion is called the path bar. You could always move the bars wherever you want to, as I'm showing in the screen. The path toolbar shows us what communication path is this computer taking to communicate to the PLC. And you have the Who active, RS Who, or the famous RS Who active path that pulls up the Who active, and then right now that's the IP address of the PLC. Okay, nothing much about the path bar. And the next most commonly used toolbar is this ladder common logic toolbar. This is the toolbar where, as you select these tabs, all the instructions are visible. So for example, the favorites is new rung, branch, examine on off, latch and unlatch. And you have the add-ons. You can have alarms, bits, which has the one shot ONS, one shot rise, one shot off. The timers and counters are here. Input output, moves, get system variable, set system variables, compare, logical compare operators, compute, where addition, subtraction, division, and move statements, and file handling statements, file shift, sequencers, on and on and on. And the next toolbar available is the security toolbar. Right now that's not available on this program. And there is a bookmark toolbar. To enable this bookmark toolbar is one of my favorite toolbar whenever I'm browsing through the program through multiple cross references and I need to find out, I need to come back to this rung. That's where I do the two bookmarks. So you go to tools and options, sorry, not tools and options, it's custom tools, not custom tools. Toolbars, it's under view toolbars, and then you have your bookmark toolbar, and that shows up right here. You could add a path bar, that's the new bar, new component if you want to have icons to import new component. So right now I just selected bookmark toolbar and close it. So if I bookmark say 7th rung, I hit bookmark, and then as I browse through I do it in 10, and now I can use the next bookmark, the previous bookmark, to easily go to that rung while troubleshooting. And you could remove all toolbars with that button. So these are some of the commonly used toolbars available in Logix Designer. If you like my videos, please subscribe, and if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to post them on the comment section. Till then, have a good rest of the day. Thank you.